Hello everyone, I'm Miss Shannon and thank you for joining me today for Let's Do Science. Today we are going to be doing a science called blooming flower. To do blooming flower, you're going to need a bowl, and in that bowl we're going to need some water. You don't need a lot, just fill up the bottom. You're going to need a pair of scissors, you're going to need a piece of white paper, and you're going to need a few different colored crayons so that you can color your flowers, okay? Okay, everybody, we're gonna start off by taking one of your crayons and just draw on your white paper a flower, okay? Doesn't make a difference what the flower looks, how big the flower is, how little it is, but you wanna have some petals on your flower because that's what we're gonna fold to bloom in our water, okay? So there's a couple different kinds that I'm using that look a little different and give you just a little bit of an outlook, okay? So we're gonna draw a couple little flowers. Okay, and then you're gonna take your scissors. Be really careful. If you need mom and dad's help, ask. And go ahead and cut out your flowers, okay? So once you cut out your different flowers, this is what we have here, okay? My silly little flowers. So we're gonna take and we're gonna color our flowers, okay? And you can color any colors you want. You wanna make a happy face in the middle. If you wanna write something else in the middle, just to have a little surprise when your flower opens. And make sure you color all of your petals on all of your flowers, okay? So then that way, it'll be pretty colors when it opens up in the water, okay? So then we're gonna take your finished flowers, once they're colored, okay? And you're gonna fold in all of your petals and just push them a little bit, not too tight, okay? We're gonna push them in on top of each other, okay? So that's one flower. And then we have our other flower, okay? And again, we're gonna take all of our petals and fold them in one by one so that they go in on top of each other, okay? Fold them in one at a time. One more. There we go. Okay, now we need to go ahead and get our bowl of water, okay? And let's get our bowl of water. And what you're gonna do is take your flowers and you're just going to drop them in the water. And as they're in the water, if you watch, the paper is gonna get wet. And as the paper gets wet, it swells and it causes the petals to open on your flower. Look at our magic flowers. Look at the petals open, and we got us so cool, and we got our little happy face flower. This again is the form of capillary action, okay? And it's the water making the paper swell. And look at that, guys, we have our blooming flowers. All right. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for Let's Do Science. Make sure you tune in for next month. So we will go ahead and post another project for you to try at home, okay? And post in the comments pictures and videos of your blooming flowers too. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.